In this video, I'm going to show you the advanced settings menu on this display that's on the Movcan V30 and the Tamobyke T73. This applies to all trim levels, including the Max and Pro Max. So let's get into it. To access the advanced settings menu, you're going to hold the plus and minus button for about 2 seconds, and it'll drop you into the advanced settings menu. You're going to see down here, there's a P01, and then up top is the different displays. If you go to 00, this is kilometers, and 01 is miles per hour. If you want to move to the next settings, just hit the power button. You go to P02. This is to restore to the defaults. If you want to restore to the defaults, you're going to hold the plus button is to do not restore. 1 is to restore. Let's go back to the advanced settings menu. I'm going to go to P03. This is where you're going to change the gears or pedal assist modes. Now the default is set to 5 pedal assist modes. If you want to change this to 3, you can do so, but you have to put the passcode all ones in there. Moving on to the P04 setting, this is the max speed. It's set to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles an hour. If you set it to that, it will be unlimited. If you want to reduce the speed, just hit the minus button. To increase the speed, hit the plus button. Moving on to P05, this is the 0 start. 0 is the throttle will immediately be activated, and 1 is the non-zero start. With the non-zero start, you have to at least be going 3 miles per hour in order to engage the throttle. It's kind of a safety feature. Moving on to P06, 02 is for throttle and pedal assist only, 01 is for throttle only, and 0 will deactivate the throttle and only use pedal assist mode. Moving on to P07, this is for cruise control. So 0 is to leave the cruise control on, 01 is to turn it off. Moving on to P08, this is to clear the total mileage. You're going to hold the plus button for 5 seconds, and it will automatically reset the mileage on this bike. And then if you have a P09 setting, that allows you to adjust the dimness of the screen. If you set it to 0, it's the least dim, and 3 is the brightest. Once you've made changes to the settings and you want to retain it, just hold the plus and minus button and we'll save those settings. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.